AI-generated open-world games. The next evolution of gaming. Welcome to Innovate the Future, the place where technology, imagination, and tomorrow's breakthroughs collide. If you're passionate about AI, futuristic tech, video games, quantum computing, and space exploration, you're in the right place. Subscribe now, tap the notification bell so you never miss an episode, and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts, gamers, and dreamers. Your support powers this channel and helps us explore the frontier of the digital universe. About this video. What happens when artificial intelligence doesn't just power a game? It creates it? In this in-depth video exploration, we take a journey into the future of interactive entertainment, where AI-generated open-world games are not just a possibility, but an emerging reality. These revolutionary new experiences aren't just reshaping how we play games, they're redefining how games are imagined, built, and evolved. Whether you're a gamer, developer, tech enthusiast, or futurist, this video will open your eyes to what's possible when AI becomes the architect, storyteller, and intelligent force behind the worlds we explore. What you'll discover in this video. 1. What are AI-generated open worlds? We begin by breaking down the foundation of this concept. How cutting-edge AI systems like neural networks, procedural generation, and machine learning are now capable of designing massive, detailed game worlds that are unique, intelligent, and unpredictable. Unlike traditional handcrafted maps, AI-generated open worlds evolve organically and respond to your gameplay in real time. 2. A living, breathing world created on the fly. AI can build and update entire landscapes, cities, and natural environments in real time. No two players will ever see the exact same world. Imagine starting a new game and entering a world with its own ecosystem, weather systems, economies, and lore, none of which existed until you hit play. AI can simulate complex interactions between nature, characters, and environments, making each playthrough feel alive and one of a kind. 3. Smarter, more human NPCs. We're moving far beyond static quest givers and background characters. AI is now being trained to give NPCs memory, goals, emotional intelligence, and decision-making abilities. They can form relationships, hold grudges, learn from your actions, and evolve with the game world. Your allies and enemies will behave differently every time you meet them, based on how you've shaped the world around them. 4. Emergent storytelling, a narrative that writes itself using natural language. Processing and AI-driven story engines, open-world games can now craft personalized, emergent narratives. The game watches what you do and writes new chapters on the fly. That means your decisions don't just lead to multiple endings. They can create entirely new quests, factions, alliances, and outcomes. The story grows with you, adapting dynamically to your personality, morality, and behavior. 5. Endless replayability. Like never before with AI at the helm, open-world games no longer need to follow preset blueprints. The same game can be played infinitely with different outcomes, environments, characters, and stories. Replay value is no longer limited to new builds or dialogue trees. It becomes a core feature of every experience. 6. AI plus procedural generation. The Dream Team procedural generation has been around for years, but AI takes it to the next level. Games like No Man's Sky showed us what procedurally generated worlds look like. But future AI systems will be able to understand those worlds, give them purpose, and make them feel like more than just randomly generated terrain. Imagine a planet that evolves ecosystems in real time, or a civilization that grows and collapses whether you're there or not. 7. Reinforcement learning and gameplay mechanics. AI can study your gameplay and redesign challenges in real time. If you're a stealthy player, enemies might become more vigilant. If you're aggressive, the world may become more hostile. The game watches, adapts, and transforms based on how you play. It's like having a game that reads your mind and tailors itself to your every move. 8. Next-level multiplayer experiences. AI-generated open worlds don't just benefit single-player games. In multiplayer games, AI could craft world events, shape evolving political systems, and create living economies based on the behavior of the player base. Imagine playing in a world where every action, yours or someone else's, has real consequences that ripple across a shared universe. Entire cities could rise or fall, factions could form or dissolve, and wars could begin or end, all driven by AI reacting to the player's collective actions. 9. Integrating cloud and quantum power. The fusion of AI with cloud computing and future quantum systems will make these massive worlds scalable and accessible. Whether you're playing on a console, PC, or a mobile device, the heavy lifting could be done in the cloud. Add quantum computing to the mix, and we're talking about rendering whole worlds in the blink of an eye, with decision-making AI models that evolve faster than anything we've seen before. 10. The ethical and creative implications. As AI takes over more of the creative process, we ask critical questions. Who controls the narrative? What happens when AI writes the story, builds the world, and defines morality? Can developers maintain artistic intent when AI starts making content autonomously? And how do we ensure ethical boundaries are respected when AI begins to shape human interaction within these digital worlds? 11. Real projects and what's on the horizon. We showcase current examples from developers and companies already experimenting with AI-generated content, from Ubisoft's Ghostwriter tool to NVIDIA's AI-driven environments to indie developers training AI dungeon masters. We also peek into what's coming next, including research on large language models embedded in NPCs and full-scale simulations powered by generative AI. Why this video matters. The way we create and experience games is about to change forever. AI-generated open worlds promise to unlock a new age of interactive storytelling, where the game isn't just a product you play, it's a universe that grows with you. It's not just a technological shift, it's a creative revolution. Whether you're a player, a developer, or just someone curious about where entertainment is headed, this video will give you a front-row seat to the future of gaming. Subscribe to Innovate the Future. Don't forget to subscribe to Innovate the Future and join us as we dive deep into the technology shaping tomorrow. From artificial intelligence and virtual reality to quantum breakthroughs and space exploration, we cover it all, one episode at a time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your fellow futurists and gamers, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And we'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and let us know. What excites or concerns you about AI taking over the future of game development?